Hey, what's up guys? John Asumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. I'm on my way to the softball fields for a youth softball, girls fast pitch. It's a fun sport to shoot, so stay tuned. So when I'm covering an entire team for softball, or baseball for that matter, the important thing is that you make sure you get photos of each player, and the most ideal situation is you get photos of each player batting offensively and on defense. Batting is pretty easy because every player comes up and has a turn to hit. Defensively, sometimes you got to get a little more creative. What I'm going to do is I'm arriving to the field early and I'm going to shoot them warming up. I want to get each girl getting ground balls and fly balls if possible, and throwing. So if they're in a line doing drills with the coach, a lot of times you can get that. Make sure you angle yourself so you don't get the other players in the background, because you want it to look as much like a game situation as possible. It's a big field. There's a lot of positions, so you can't catch every play every time. So you got to kind of put yourself in a position where you can catch the majority of the plays. So I find my best shots come shooting from either the third base or the first base side. I prefer first base because I can get the batters running towards me after they hit the ball. But you've got most of the infield facing you, you've got the catcher facing you. The outfielders, if you can swing quickly and focus quickly. And then for me to get the pitcher, I usually just run around behind the backstop and catch them as they're warming up. Know what's going on in the game, know how many runners are on base, know how many outs, and know where the defense wants to throw the ball if they get it. If you know these things in mind after the ball is hit and put in play, you have a real good idea, or at least you can make an intelligent guess about where to swing the camera and focus, because these plays happen so fast. If you're a second late, you miss the play and then most likely miss the picture too. You want to make sure that you get the runners on base. You can get them running from one base to the next base, you can get them sliding, you can get them going one way and then going back the other way, you can get them watching the pitcher. So there's a lot of different situations that you can get with the runners that don't necessarily have to be around the ball. I wanted to thank you for watching this video. Softball is a real fun game to shoot, but different age levels have different levels of action that you're going to be able to capture, but there's always shots to get, you just have to know where to look. This is John Asumi from Motionshooter Photography. Until the next video.